What's up guys, Devren Cook here again to talk to you guys about how you can buy a home in 2020 with little or zero money down. That's right, I'm going to talk to you about how you can get into a home without a down payment. I'm going to talk about the different options and ways we can do that for you. So stay tuned, keep watching, let's go. Alright guys, with today's video I'm going to go over these different loan options to get you into a home without any money. And the first one is going to be a VA loan, and it stands for the Veterans Affairs. And it's a loan offered strictly to veterans. So a VA loan is offered to active duty or retired military. Someone that's been in the military in the past, in the US and the A, okay? If you've been in the military or you are currently, go talk with the lender and you can get a VA loan. What's unique about a VA loan is it allows you to get into a house without any money down. So the VA loan is a great option for those veterans that are looking to buy a home, but they might not have saved up a bunch of money to put for a down payment. So they can get into a home with literally zero money down. It's a great program. It's a way the government is really trying to reward the veterans for serving in the military, serving our country. Thank you guys, it means a lot. And so they're offering them this loan and the opportunity to put zero money down. So it's great. If you have any questions about it, let me know, send me a message, leave a comment down below. Also, reach out to a lender. Try and get with a lender that specializes, especially in VA loans, because they'll know all of the ins and outs of them as well. All right, guys. So the second option to get you into a house with zero money down, okay, is going to be with a USDA loan. Now, for those granola people that are eating all of this organic foods, you've probably seen on your package of broccoli from Whole Foods, USDA organic, and you're probably thinking, well, how's that going to get me into a house without any money? Well, I'm going to explain it. The USDA, or the United States Department of Agriculture, offers this loan to certain geographical areas in the nation of America. Some of the areas that qualify for a USDA loan are actually in suburban neighborhoods, but a lot of them are maybe a bit more out in the boonies. You're going to have a bit larger lots, things like that. We have a lot of that area here in Texas, and so it's common to see those. It's commonly known as the USDA loan, but it also could be known as a rural housing loan. So if you have any questions and you're talking with a lender and they're saying, well, I don't know what this USDA loan is, say it's the rural housing loan with zero money down, they should know what that means. Let me know if you have any questions about it. All right guys, the third option to get into a house with zero money down is not gonna be from a loan actually. It's gonna be from using a down payment assistance program. You might be thinking, what's down payment assistance? Well, I'm gonna tell you. Down payment assistance programs work like this. Essentially, they're typically government-sponsored programs where you can qualify if you meet certain income criteria, certain job criteria as well. Then you can apply for the program, you can get accepted, and you can get money for your house. Okay, sounds great. One of the examples of those programs in Texas is called TSHAC. It's Texas State Housing Affordable Corporation. So the way TSHAC works is you apply to the program, you get accepted, and you actually get money in the form of a grant. And that means that you do not have to pay the money back. It's yours 100%. You're not in debt, you're not charged interest. This is your money, free money essentially for you. All you have to do is meet their criteria. For TSHAC, this one here in Texas, there's like a 4-question little quiz that you can take to see if you'll qualify, and then you can actually apply and get that money for you. So those are the 3 great options. You've got your VA loan, you've got your USDA loan, and you have your down payment assistance programs, which are gonna vary state by state. Okay, so there's 2 other options for low down payment that I'm gonna cover. One is an FHA loan, and the other is a conventional loan. And I'm gonna cover both of these for you right now. An FHA loan is going to have a lower barrier of entry. Usually a credit score over 500, although typically you're gonna wanna have a higher credit score in order to get a better interest rate. Many lenders will require, for example, about 580 as your credit score in order to get you into an FHA loan. An FHA loan is a loan that is insured by the Federal Housing Administration, meaning if you default, it is insured by the FHA, and so it protects the lender's investment. With an FHA loan, you might have a bit of a higher interest rate because you're probably gonna have a lower credit score, but it allows you to get into a home, make that home purchase, and start investing in real estate. The second option is gonna be a conventional loan, which is not insured by the FHA. You're typically gonna need a 620, 640 credit score, depending on your lender, in order to qualify. With conventional loans, you're gonna have less restrictions on the home you can buy, and also a slightly lower down payment. You're gonna have a 3% down payment with conventional loans, 3.5% with an FHA loan. Now, when I say requirements as far as getting into the houses, the difference is when you buy a home with an FHA loan, you have to buy a house that meets the FHA regulations. Basically, it wants the home to be move-in ready. You have to buy a house that has good paint on the walls, good carpet, has good appliances, it's not falling down, the roof is in good condition. They're not going to want you to buy a house that you need to fix up or flip or renovate. So if you go into a house and it's just gutted and it's bare bones to the walls, even if it's not that bad, but for example, the paint is peeling and the plumbing is not working, you know, there's issues that need to be fixed. Well, the FHA won't insure that loan and you won't be able to buy that loan. They want the home to be nice, move-in ready, so you as the new, probably first-time home buyer can buy the house without having to put much money up to fix the home. With a conventional loan, you can buy a house that needs a bit of fixing, maybe needs a total flip, needs to be renovated. So that gives you a bit more options there, but you are gonna have that higher barrier of entry when it comes to your credit score. All right guys, so that was some information about low down payment and no down payment options to get into a house here in 2020. So if you have any questions, leave the comments down below, like and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more videos. I look forward to seeing you. Thanks.